Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I want to share with you why I think Bitcoin and crypto is about to go a lot higher in general. And so this is coming from someone who was just highly bearish. As you can see, I can flip my stance on the market quickly. And if you can't do that, you will get left behind in this game very quickly. So, guys, obviously, the shits went parabolic. It's up 8,000 points right now. So do you necessarily want to buy it right here at the absolute, freaking peaks of this move? Not necessarily, but, you could actually buy here, and I think you're totally okay. And I'm about to explain to you why. So if you watched the last video where I was explaining my reasoning for why I'm not nearly as bearish anymore, and now I'm not bearish at all, okay, is it's simple. We had 6 tests of this level, 1 pump, 2 pump, 3 pump, 4 pump, 5 pump, 6 pump. So we pumped 6 times at these bottom levels. We had the most bearish chart in the history of history, and we had forehead and shoulders stacked on top of each other. And so you had every single reason in the book to drop, yet you didn't. And so we've survived the hardest part. We've survived probably the hardest thing you could have ever survived in Bitcoin. Okay, typically we see in Bitcoin, we see the crash happens, we get a dead cat bounce, and then it crashes way, way, way lower. And so this time, this was the dead cat bounce, bull trap. Yeah, it played out, but we completely bottomed out at 41,000 to, so strongly, right? When you get down to this level 6 times, and not only do you just hold the level, no, you pumped at these levels, okay? That's what leads me to believe that we are not going to break those levels anytime soon. I just don't see any reason for us to not go higher. There's no reason to not go higher. You've been through the hardest part. You've been through the most bearish circumstances. The stock market was selling off. Crypto was going up. When have we seen that before? You don't see that, okay? You don't see that typically. And so, like I said, you've been through the most bearish, you've been through the most intensive situation, you've been through what everyone would expect to be a crash based on historical reactions, and you didn't, and you didn't. So you have fought through the storm, and at this point, yes, obviously no one wants to buy here, and that's why, if you saw my last video, that's where I said I was buying half and front-running the downtrend. And so if you also listen to that video, it's the reasoning, right? What did I tell you was going to make me add 50% back in? I said, guys, I want to see us break this downtrend. And then if you paid attention to the last video, I said, I want to see an acceleration in buyers. And we've got exactly that. And obviously I said, look, I want to see break of the trend line. I want to see acceleration in buyers. And I want to see breaks above these moving averages. We got all 3 of those things. We pumped 6 times at 40K. Okay. I see only upside from here, despite maybe a little pullback. Basically, if you see pullbacks right now, in my opinion, you got to be loading up on any pullbacks you see here. Okay, it dumps here, you're going all in. It dumps here, you're going all in. Okay, that's just my opinion here. You don't have to agree, but guys, this is coming from someone who was just overall extremely bearish. Okay, and I'm telling you, okay, you had every single reason to be bearish, and it didn't break down. What does that tell you? It's time to be bullish. Okay, so like I said, a lot of people are stuck in their ways. A lot of people are in denial, and a lot of people will never reverse their stance. But I'm telling you, if you can never reverse your stance, you will get left behind. And it's not a matter of FOMOing in. It's not a matter of feeling left behind. It's a matter of doing the right thing. And what are the charts telling you? And the charts told you that this was supposed to be a bigger crash, and we bottomed 6 times. What more do you need to know, guys? The charts are telling you the truth. We will get back above this local high here at 52K, in my opinion. And obviously, I have to get a better feel for the market as it's just made this move right here. To really get a feel on the magnitude of this next up move and how high we can go. But just early opinion, early thoughts right now is I don't see why we can't head back up to 65K. I think this is, it's hard to say this because usually people who say this time is different are always wrong. But this time literally is different because every single crash we've seen pretty much in the history of Bitcoin, you have the massive collapse, followed by the dead cat bounce, followed by the real dump, the real crash. And we negated that this time. And that, like I said, this time literally is different. This time it literally failed the secondary and the main crash, really, which takes us to dumpster prices for a while. So in my opinion, this is just my opinion. You don't have to agree. I do not think this is a bull trap by any means. Okay, this is, in my opinion, not a bull trap at all. And you can disagree with me, but in my opinion, I see no reasons why we should head back lower after overcoming the obstacles we have just overcome, after analyzing the charts and looking at, every single milestone has been completed. We broke through the trend line. We held the bottom 6 times. Not only did we hold the bottom, we pumped at the bottom 6 times, and we have an acceleration in buyers. MACD cross, guys. This has every bullish sign for you. Okay, and so, like I said, if you haven't got in yet, I would be loading up on any opportunities you can get here. That's my opinion. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but that's my truthful bias. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Congratulations to the bulls. But, you can say I'm wrong, but you're still an idiot, you dumb fuck bulls, because I literally sold the top, and I started accumulating 50% yesterday, and I added the rest today, guys. I beat the fuck out of you bulls who held through this entire crash. Okay, so talk all you want. You're still an idiot. You should have listened to me earlier. You would have been able to buy back 25% more crypto. In altcoins, you would have been able to buy, we had a 50% dip in altcoins. You would have bought double your fucking altcoins. So keep talking your shit, okay? You're all idiots still, okay? So I'm still saying congratulations to you because you guys dodged a huge bullet. You almost got slaughtered. So enjoy it, okay? Because this will be the euphoric bull run-up in this market, most likely, before an eventual blow-off top. Okay, so be ready for it. But at the end of the day, we're early in this trend reversal, in my opinion, right? This is uptrend, reverse of the trend, downtrend, and reverse of the trend. So look, you reverse the trend, you get a lot of upside, okay? You reverse the trend, you get a lot of downside. You reverse the trend, you get a lot of upside, right? You get an uptrend, you reverse the trend, you get a lot of downside. You see what I mean? So when it's just the beginning of a reversal in the trend, that's how you know that more times than not, you are going to have a lot of upside in that direction because this reversal has just now taken place. So I would start to look to get in on the dips if you haven't already. And, if you're someone who followed me and sold the top, guys, then all this is just extra profit and increasing our positions at this point. So congratulations to everyone who followed me from the beginning when I first called it, and to the people who maybe were late and only, you sold at the bottom. I mean, what can I do for you? That sucks. Anyways, guys, by the way, I gave a 2x plus opportunity in our WhatsApp group, guys. I mean, it's something I think is going to skyrocket with the bull move here in Bitcoin and just overall the crypto market. I think it could easily 2 to 3x, and it's really, in my opinion, it's not like some shit coin that's like a micro cap. No, it's actually a mid cap coin. So I have put that in our WhatsApp group, guys. So if you are not a part of our WhatsApp group and you just missed out on this tip I've given, then that sucks, okay? Because I'm not posting it again, and I'm not gonna say it on the channel right now either. That's gonna be for the people who follow me, who are in the WhatsApp group, who are a part of this community. That's for them. So guys, if you want to make sure you don't miss out on the next 2 to 3x, 4x, 5x, 6x, 7x, or whatever, if I post it in the WhatsApp chat, make sure you join that. There's a link below in the description of this video that you can use to join our WhatsApp group. Make sure you check your email for the invitation to it. I think that's a really good tip that I've given there, guys. And that thing's going to rip higher, in my opinion. But anyways, guys, not financial advice. This is just my opinion. I can always be wrong. Just like I was wrong about the magnitude of the crash, I was not wrong about calling the crash. I fucking nailed that shit. The only thing is here, when we got down to this level 6 damn times, naturally, of course, I'm going to think we're going to break through, because the more times you test the level, typically the weaker it gets and the higher the chance that you're finally going to break through. And that's what's so incredible, is it tested the level 6 times, it couldn't break through. That's why it's like, guys, what is there to be bearish on at this point? You have all bullish confirmations. Everything is here that you need. So there you guys go. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to drop a like. Make sure you are subscribed. I'll be keeping you up to date. But that is the reversal of the trend in my opinion, and I do expect further upside with pullbacks, but the pullbacks are the opportunities to get in. So take care, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.